Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm looking at some Gorilla Glue. I did purchase this myself. This was not sent to me. I just want to do a quick review and talk to you about the original Gorilla Glue. This bonds pretty much everything. That's what it says, and actually this stuff really works really well. This is a small container, a little goes a long way, so don't overuse it. This is a really high quality product. So let's take a look at it together. So what does it bond? It says bonds everything. So what does that mean, everything? That's a very broad statement, right? Take a look here. So 3 easy steps, damp it to activate Gorilla Glue, glue it, and then clamp it. That's what it says. So you have to use a little bit of moisture, and then that activates the formula, and then you put it down, and then you glue it down, and you're good to go. So that's really nice. I like that. Super simple, super easy. What is it bond to? Pretty much wood, stone, metal, ceramic, foam, and glass. That's what it says. All kinds of simple instructions here. This stuff really works well. Let me just show you what it looks like. Let me take it out of the package and just show you how this looks. So this comes in a small container, and there's different sizes that are available. So I want you to take a good look at this and just to see the quality of this. Looks really nice. I love the branding on this as well. This is the original formula. It's really thick. You can take a look at it. It's almost like a molasses consistency, and that's why you add the moisture to it just to help spread it out, and then that will dry up and obviously help it here with the glue. I guess that's the technology behind it. It does have a built-in cap that actually seals itself, so when you're done with it you can just reseal it. I'll show you that real quick. So this is what it looks like. This is the spout, and in here the cap, we can see, I'll get a close-up of that. You can see this little pin in there, a metal pin. What that does, help seal the Gorilla Glue so it won't go bad. And that's a really good feature as well. So this is the original Gorilla Glue. This is how it comes. There's a ton of different sizes that are available. Buy the one that you like, but I highly recommend this. Again, I was not paid for this. I bought this myself, and I actually looking for good quality glue, and Gorilla Glue is definitely one of the best out there as far as I'm concerned. Appreciate your time. Hope you enjoyed this review.